Hey guys, what's good? Welcome back to my video on my friend's account here. And remember on the last video that we made I show you guys how to make snowman. Yep. So in the last video I show you how to make snowman with how to make more money by build snowman. So I got 60,000, 61,000, 65,000 like this. But I built a house and it costs a lot. Look, now I only got 1,000. It's way too much. It costs like 64,000. Half of my, I mean more than that. But I will show you a tour of my friend new house. On like how I built. So it's 3, 2, 1. Ta-da! It's like one story and it's like here is the garage and here's house. Should we go and see? But I need to on the light because I haven't paid my bills. And I need to boost. My bills cost 500. Oh my god, I'm going to get 800. Sorry, I won't make snowman because it's very tiring and I make 2 here. I'm going to go to work, I think. But let's start from here. So when we walk in, here's the doorbell and decoration, and let's go in. Alright, so here's the door and close. Alright, start right now, but if I on, it's kind of empty over here, but maybe I should add something where I got much more money. So do you guys like it? Comment down below if you guys like. I haven't give you a full tour. Alright, here's inside and here's like too cool, right? And then here is just the hallway, and then here is the living room. I don't switch for this, but let me just go here on this. Right, here is the living room. It's also kind of empty. I should add something where I go. Yeah, here's my room. Yeah, here's my room. Look, it's also kind of empty because I don't know what to add. Yeah, this is the master bedroom. Even though I'm a kid right now, but I will change it. I also don't know what is this, but because I found it in my inventory. And here is my desk, and I need to go boost my mood to walk a bit more faster. Alright. Alright, so let me make my bed. Oh yeah, by the way, this floor is a snow floor. I haven't built a floor yet because I got no more money to build, and it seems like white color, so it's alright. But I still build a floor if I got more money. Here's my closet. Dude, kid, I need to be covered. Alright. So here's my bathroom. Here. It's purple because I don't know, because I'm a girl, but this is my friend. I won't choose purple to like, because this, but purple is kind of a boy and girl color, right? But it's nice. I hope there's not someone knock at my door, but I got no time to talk to you, so sorry. Alright, let me see. After a time, I finally got. Who believed that I got 65,000 to 800? I mean, actually 1,000. Okay, so I'm done. Here's the toilet. Yep. Don't need, but let me close this, and here's the sink. Alright, on for us. Alright, so basically, wait, let me on my volume. Alright, so here's the long hallway over there, but here is my office. Yep, here is my office. I forgot to put a lightning switch, but it's alright. Look, it's kind of empty. I'll place more cushion. And Merry Christmas to all of you. Alright, here's the bathroom. Most of the room I forgot to switch, yeah. Yeah, here's the bathroom, and here's the laundry. Yeah, room. This. I forgot. Here's the boys' room. See, it's pretty nice. Here is the baby changer. This room contains teenager and baby. Yeah, baby age and toys. It's kind of nice, right? Do you guys like? Here's just turn on. Here is some game. This one is related to this because baby. This is the teenager baby and this is the baby. Because I bet baby cannot. I bet kids cannot play, right? And here is the dresses for this bed and this bed. Comment down below if you like my house. I mean, not my house, my friend. I'm editing. That alright. Alright, let's come over here. There's no light switch basically. This is the kitchen. See? Yeah. And then, guys don't know, this is the dining area. I spend more money on this, I think. Dining area here. I think I should buy a switch so it's here, but until like a moment. Even though it's cost only $40, yeah. And then here, if you don't know, it's a baby seat. Yeah, it's a baby because baby can't see, kids can't see on here, only teenager. Yeah. I won't waste the electricity, so I just go off this. Alright, here's backyard. I haven't even done yet, but I will do it if it's completely. I show you guys. Alright, here's the girls' room, ladies' room, kids' room, girls' room. Yep. Here's it's kind of similar like a boys' room. Yep. Alright, here's the guest room. It's kind of empty inside. Yeah, here got switch. Kind of empty, but I put more soon. Alright. Double guest. Do you like my house, guys? Yeah, here's, and let me show you the garage. Alright. It's at night right now. Here is my garage, and yeah, there's one car for it. Alright, so that's it for my tour. If you guys like it, please like, subscribe, tell the post notification bell for more awesome. Comment down below if this is great for you guys. And candy cane. Yep, so hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure you hit that like button, tell the post notification bell, subscribe. Comment down below. Again, last time I'm asking you if you guys like this. Yep, leave it. So see you guys in the next video. Peace out and goodbye.